Magbe-bake tayo ng ribs, beef ribs. Nilagyan ko siya ng potato. Bake natin yan. So, dinner. Wow. Okay, let's put on the oven. Ito naman ang ating partner ng ribs. Yan na natin siya. Steam lang siya. Luto na guys ang ating, ang tawag dito ay sweet broccoli. So luto na siya. Yes, yummy. Guys. Ayan ang beige. Ang partner ng ito ang partner ng beef. Niluluto pa. Andyan pa sa ulam. Ito na. Ayan. Aming dinner. Beef ribs. At saka potato and sweet broccoli with green beans. Ayan. Kainin na yan. Sweet broccoli. Kain guys.
The hard-right members of Benjamin Netanyahu's coalition who wanted to keep pressure on Hezbollah may now push even harder to go after Hamas. There is, however, some pressure from the other side.
That's why sweet broccoli.
Better than the restaurant.
Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell button so you will be notified on my next video. Thank you. Bye.